Paid media is when you pay to drive visitors to a website or a specific web page, and it can be an effective way for you to promote your affiliate offers, but only if you do it correctly. Now, new affiliates make this common mistake, so they might pay for traffic to promote an affiliate offer and send that traffic directly to their affiliate's website. So for example, you might be promoting using Facebook ads, and if you pay for Facebook ads and drive that traffic directly to your affiliate offer, then you might experience low affiliate commissions because that is known as cold traffic. So, cold traffic is when someone is seeing your website or your offer for the very first time. Think about this. Would you buy it from a website that you don't trust? The answer is probably no. So you shouldn't expect your website visitors to buy from a website that maybe they have no affiliation with yet. You want to warm up your prospects. Warming up your traffic is your priority as an affiliate regardless of whether you're doing paid traffic or free traffic. I want to introduce you to something known as the sales funnel. So your sales funnel is simply the process that you take your website visitors through from becoming cold traffic to affiliate customers. Here is an example of a page that you might want to promote if you're doing paid media. So as you can see, you're not actively asking someone to make a purchase. You're sending someone to an optimized page and requesting an email address. So an email address is less of an ask than to get someone to buy something, and people as a result who don't know you yet are more likely to enter their name and email address on your website than they are to purchase an affiliate product. I want to give you an example of how to do this on a sample website. So, this is an example of an opt-in page that we can sometimes send page traffic to. Now, we don't send paid traffic to a page which requires people to purchase right out of the gate, because paid traffic is normally cold traffic and you want them to warm up to you a little bit. So we normally send them to a free giveaway where we can give them some value upfront and they can kind of get to know the brand, get to know a little bit better. We try to give away a free ebook, which kind of gives a little bit of context about who we are, and sometimes we will have a video as well, so the people can see our face and they know that they can trust us once they see our video, and we can kind of build rapport in that way. So as you can see, we are giving away a free ebook on this particular page, and when someone clicks on the download, they are prompted to enter their name and email address, and once they do that, that information is fed to us and we can choose what page they are sent to after this. So after they have submitted this information, they are currently sent to this page. You can make this page straight to your affiliate links. So once they enter their name and email address, you can send them straight to your affiliate links that they see your affiliate product, or you can create a bridge page if you want to explain your affiliate products a little bit more. Now, this is useful if you're selling products. For example, like Amazon products, which don't normally come with a sales video. Maybe you want to give people a reason why buying that particular product from Amazon is going to be useful for them. Maybe it's going to help them achieve something that they are trying to achieve. Maybe this is your suggestion for a particular reason, and as you can see on this bridge page, we have a video, which when someone plays it, they get a better understanding of the reason why we are promoting what we are promoting, and then you can leave your affiliate links in one of these buy now links on this particular bridge page. Now, another thing that I wanted to point out is free download itself. So this is an example of a free download, which are the formula, and this is created in Word, but you can create links within this as well. So as you can see, we got a link here, and when you highlight this particular phrase within Word, you can go to insert and create a link. So when you do this, then this creates a clickable link. So when someone downloads your free guide, then they can be linked to your affiliate products as well in that manner. So not only are they on your email list, but they might read through your free guide, and your free guide can contain links to your affiliate products. So that's something that you want to keep in mind, and your free guide might not be an ebook. Maybe it's a free video. Then you might want to reference your affiliate link within that video if your free video is kind of speaking about things related to your product. then make sure you include your links in that way as well. So you're increasing the opportunity of someone clicking on your link and buying your affiliate product through your link, and obviously, because you have their name and email address now as well, you can email them reminders about your affiliate product and increase your chances of actually generating affiliate commissions. Now, as the second step in this sales funnel is not just this upsell page, but also we have another offer as well that we can even email to our prospects, or when someone purchases the first product, they can get sent directly to this product. And finally, the final process in this sales funnel is this program, which is £10 a month. Now, this is a big commitment, so people who want to give £10 a month to Access Training are people who have been through this entire funnel. They've seen some of the emails. They've built a rapport with this. They've even spent some money with this before. And they are much more likely customers to convert. This works in a very similar way to when you promote your affiliate offers. So, you have your opt-in page here. This is the page where you are trying to get people to opt in by leaving their email addresses. So rather than sending people directly to your affiliate offers, you send people to your website and accumulate their email addresses. Once you have their email address, you can then send them emails, which promote your affiliate offer, and even if they do not buy after the first email or the second email because you have retained their information, you can consistently send them emails that promote your affiliate offer, and also even send them valuable information as well via email to help warm them up and build that trust. Here are some benefits to doing email marketing. You can remind visitors about the offer that they have seen. You can promote other related affiliate products as well. You can promote your products and services as you saw in this example. And you can promote your social media platforms as well, and promoting your social media platforms is a great way to further warm up your prospects, especially if you're sending them video content where you are on video that helps them to see you, and as a result of seeing you, they are a lot more likely to trust you more.